Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School E-Class Standard 3rd Subject Science, and today's our topic is feeding habits of animal. My dear student, this is the second session of this chapter. Previously we have learned about the herbivorous animal and carnivorous animal. The animals which eat only plants are called as herbivorous animal, and the animal which eat other animals are called as carnivorous animals. In this class we will learn about omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals are the animals which eat both animals and plants. Example: bear, crow, rat, jackal are called as omnivorous animals. Next topic is feeding habits of the different animals. Different animal eat different type of food. The kind of food they eat depend upon the shape of their mouth and jaws and teeth. Some animals swallow their food. Example like frog, lizard and snake do not use teeth to bite or chew the food. They catch their prey with the help of sticky tongue. The snake can open its mouth very wide to swallow its prey. Remember one thing, snake can eat the animal which are bigger than them size also. My dear student, in this picture you can see a cow and a camel is there. In the first half, both cow and camel is busy in taking or eating grass, and camel is busy in the eating the leaves of the plant tree. But in second part, both of them are sitting, but still they are chewing. Still they are chewing. What they are doing, we will see. Some animals chew the cud. Now, what do you mean by this cud? We will see it. Some animals like cow, buffalo and camel first nibble their food and put inside their bodies. It means they doesn't chew it. They doesn't grind it. They directly suck in their body. When they relax or when they are sitting in their leisure time, they bring back part of the food from inside to their mouth, and that food which is being brought back from their stomach back to their mouth for chewing is called as cud. This then they chew properly. This is called chewing the cud. This animal have strong, broad back teeth which helps them to in chewing. So my dear student, in this session we have learned what do you mean by omnivorous animal, feeding habits of different animal, like some animal directly swallow their food, some animal chew the cud. Thank you.